So hello friends, welcome back to channel. We are discussing about the swap. So as I already told you the definition of all the thing, and to see the swap in system, what command you have to use? You have to use free hyphen m and g. M for MB, G is for GB. Okay, but what about the swap partition? For swap on space hyphen s to show hyphen a for all. Okay, and we are having swap off command also. In previous video we have created a partition, okay, but in some scenario, like I want only 1 GB swap, but to install a particular software we require 2 GB swap, and I don't want to waste my physical hard disk on that. So in that case what we can do, I have already told you, we are having two options. First one is to create a partition, second one to create a file. Now how we will define a file? Because whenever we are creating a file, its size 0 and we cannot allocate, so we have to create a file of 1 GB to particularly use for the swap. So file size should be 1 GB, and that should be, we can override anything. So for that we are having dd command. Okay, so I will explain you command dd if equal to /dev/0. Okay, so what it will do, it will create a file and write 0000 in that of, and name will do in slash will do swap file. Okay, block size equal to 1024, that's the block size, and the counts equal to, like how many counts you required, 65536 I can say. Okay, it has created a file. Now du-sh/swap file, what's the size? 64 MB. Okay, correct, 64 MB we have created. How we are doing? This is the count, and 1000 time it will write 00000 in that file, and the size of file will be 64 MB. Now we have to use this as a swap file. So what we'll do, file have created, again we'll create a file system on that, mkswap/swap file. Okay, file system got created. Then we'll see the permission ll/swap file. Okay, so it is having 644. For the swap file, permissions will be chmod 600 only root can use, because if other system user will able to read and write, that's not correct. So we have created a 600. Now we have to enable it in a swap, like swap on -s is not there. So what we'll do, swap on, and the, like we are giving the partition name, now we'll give the file name swap file. Okay, again we'll see swap on -f. See, here it's showing, earlier it was showing a partition, now it's showing the type file, size of this. Priority 1 and 2 means the lower your priority you are having, like -1, so first priority will be given to this file or file system partition. Second priority will be given to this. So first system will use this partition as a swap. If this is full, then it will go to the swap file. Now we'll see how much the size free hyphen m. Okay, it's not showing here, it's just added here. So what we have to do, because earlier it was 883, earlier it was 819, and it's showing here 883 because it's just a 64 MB file. So how many MB we are in? 64, correct? So it's showing here, it got added here, and how many files you are seeing, you are able to swap on -s. But when system boots up, it will won't come up because the fstab entry is not yet made. So what we'll do, how we'll make an entry, lsblk, as we'll see, is any difference? No. Okay, df-h, there's no difference. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll make entry in fstab /etc. fstab will take a backup of that file, underscore today date is 25th 12 2022 Christmas. Okay, etc fstab. Okay, so here what to mount, what we want to want slash swap file, where we want to want like swap partition, and file system type is swap, then defaults 0 space 0. Correct. Now we'll see mount -a, it's working. Now let me reboot this system and see how it is working. It's got disconnected. Let system come up. I will connect it again. So my system came up. Let me reconnect it. It's got connected. Become a root user. Okay, unit 6 we have executed. Okay, everything is on place. Now we'll see free -m 883 perfect size and the swap on -s to show. Yeah, it's working. Now priority has changed. The swap file is having the priority number -1 and its priority number -2. That is okay. That is system decided. If you want, you can change it, but I'm not feeling any. I want to make any change. That's perfectly running. So what command we have learned? Creating a partition is the same, but formatting mkfs earlier we are using. Now we'll use mkswap, make swap, and a partition or a file name. Okay, in this we have used the dd command. Okay, control R dd, this is the complete command. I'll put in a comment box, or I will put in a description to use. Okay, you can create, you can increase the size of this, make swap. Okay, then you have to change the permission. After changing your permission, you have to make entry in fstab. Fstab is entry for swap file is bit different because what we are hitting, the file type is swap and the partition type is swap. So what to mount? Swap file or partition, where to mount? Swap. Okay, file type is swap. That's the enough thing. And to show the swap thing, swap on -s to show. Okay, and -a to capture all the things. Now if I want to do removal of this, first I have to do swap of /swap file. Okay, if you see, it got removed, priority got changed -1 to the partition. Okay, and we'll remove the entry in fstab. So for that we have to do vi, and we'll delete the line, this one, dd right quit cat /et fstab. We'll reconfirm that entry is got removed or not. Okay, only one entry we are having. Now we can delete du-sh/swap file. Okay, rm/swap file got removed. Yes, I want to remove it. Okay, so we have rolled back all the things. We have learned about the swap partition. So this is just helping aspect of the physical memory. If physical memory is full and some more resource needs to be loaded in a system, so in that case swap came in a picture. So inactive pages from the RAM primary memory, so inactive page will get moved from primary memory to secondary memory, which we are calling the swap space, and this is helping to the physical memory, but it cannot take a place of a physical memory. Physical memory is required. Okay, and swap space is located on a hard disk because we are creating a partition and a file, that everything is located on disk, and that's why physical memory is faster and the secondary memory swap is slower than the physical memory. We can create a partition, we can create a file accordingly, according to system, according to our requirement, and we can use it. I hope it is clear to everyone why we are using swap and how we are using swap. If you still having some question or some query in your mind, please use the comment box. I will answer your questions and queries. Let's discuss furthermore on the Linux in the next coming videos. Till then, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.